If you've got a standing desk and you actually want to enjoy using it, I've got the secret for you. It's called the Topo Standing Desk Mat. Let me show you. Here it is. Looks weird, is awesome. I love standing on this thing. Down here in the middle, it's just like a normal, super high quality anti-fatigue mat. But you're not going to spend any time down there because with all this terrain, as they call it, you're going to want to stand all over this thing. You're going to want to move around a lot, and it just happens subconsciously without you thinking about it. Seriously, I'll be working and just realize like I've been doing calf stretches, I've been massaging my arch over here, and then if it's time to pull in that chair and sit down, you can just slide it back under the desk or reach and pull it back out. This thing is awesome. It'll make you love your standing desk. Gotta mention one more thing. These mats come with a 7-year warranty, but you're probably not gonna need it. I've had this one for 7 years, and honestly, it feels just as good as the day I got it. These things are awesome. That's probably why they have over 5,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. It's because they really do help you stand more, help you get the true benefit of your standing desk. So do yourself a favor and go try one out. All right, see you later.